Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I am going to show you how to predict the next candlestick by analyzing the market. You can see here the first thing we need to do is to identify what's going on in the market. Here you are getting a pattern like dark cloud. So this is a dark cloud pattern, and dark cloud pattern shows that the market will go down and it will give you one red candle, at least one red candle. So you will get here a red candle. Whenever you enter in the market, you need to focus on the current situation. Okay, so I told you this will give you at least one candlestick. So from this point, if I got a 5-second confirmation, I can go with buyers very confidently. I'm just waiting for a good 5-second confirmation, a 5-second confirmation with a bullish candle. If I got in these 3 candles, I will go with an up trade. Okay, I'm waiting to get a good. Okay, now I cannot go with buyers. So let's see what happens here. This candle can go up and it can make a bullish candle too, because the thing is you need to identify the level. You need to learn this. This is the most important thing we need to do. Okay, now I can go with sellers. I know this candle will definitely go down and it will close as a bearish. There isn't any doubt that this candle will close as a bullish. This candle has to come down and it has to close as a bearish. Okay, this candle has to close as a bearish candlestick, and you can see how confidently we can take trades. Okay, so right now if I see the levels here, I'm in a situation to take my trade in an up direction. Okay, I can confidently go with up. Why? Because I'm seeing a bullish candle here. I can expect another bullish candle in 1 minute also. You can see market is moving very fastly in an up direction, so it will give you a one good. So here you can see we are getting the bullish candle, and I will get a bullish candle for sure. There is no doubt that this candle will close as a bearish. It will close as a bullish for sure, so no need to worry. Here we will win this trade, and here we won this trade. So this is the way to predict the next candle by using, I'm not using any kind of indicator, I'm not using anything. I'm just analyzing the candles by using the candlestick psychology. So this is how we can predict the next candlestick by using these things. So I hope it will help you, and if you have any queries about candlestick psychology, you can ask from me. Okay, so take care, stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead.